Something exciting, though, to look ahead. Best opportunity to see. Check out those northern lights. Hey everybody, meteorologist Sarah Gannon here with a quick update on the forecast. Another quiet weather day here for the region. Very fall-like, however, rather windy for us today. Many of us currently looking at those winds gusting upwards of 30 miles per hour. We're looking at gusts right now up to 30 in Rochester, Preston area, and Mason City. Still some strong winds that will persist with us here through the rest of this evening, expecting to continue into early tomorrow morning. So winds will gradually taper off as we move into your early Friday morning. However, by the afternoon, we may see some stronger winds returning once again. However, not quite expected to be as strong as they are today. So that's the good news. Outside, you can see here live a look, that shaky camera from your Lewiston Auto live camera as we look towards Highway 52 there. But you can just see those camera shakes just from that gusty wind. Temperature-wise, pretty seasonal into those lower 50s here at this point in time. 51 in Rochester, Albert Lea, 52 in Mason City and Winona. Same for Decorah, Charles City at 54. Pretty much overcast skies outside right now as we check in with your future track radar. Heading into the rest of this evening, it will stay quiet and blustery. We'll look to see that cloud cover, though, sticking with us. Something exciting, though, to look ahead to tonight is the chance to see the northern lights. I think we'll have the possibility to see the aurora overhead as we look through about midnight into 3 a.m. However, the big question will be that cloud cover. So we'll talk more about the timing in terms of what we can expect when we should be able to view the aurora and how the cloud cover may play a role in some of that viewing time. So we'll talk about those upcoming forecast details here for tonight, plus the latest details on what to expect this weekend with our first wintry system of the season and a blast of some cold air on the backside. All those forecast details are ahead in your First Alert weather when we see you back with more Midwest Access in a bit. At 6 o'clock here tonight through about 3 a.m. tomorrow morning is when we'll have the best opportunity to see, or when we could be looking at the northern lights visible overhead. However, heading into tonight, one area of concern will be some cloud covers. We may have to play into that a bit, and that may hinder some of that viewing time. So we do have a G3 storm watch when it comes to those northern lights for tonight, coming from the Space Weather Prediction Center. Currently looking at a KP value of 4. Obviously, it's daylight out. We can't see that right now, and we have the cloud cover. So again, timing-wise, anywhere from 6 o'clock tonight through about 3 a.m. The strongest of that KP value for about 9 o'clock to midnight. As I mentioned, cloud cover may play a role in that viewing time here for our area. So with that cloud cover, we have that cloud cover during that strongest KP value. However, we will see some clearing sky later on tonight. So the best viewing time to check out those northern lights would be anywhere from around midnight through 3 a.m. So that will be our best chance at being able to see those northern lights. Heading into tomorrow, though, cloud cover does build back in. So over the next 3 nights, we'll actually see quite an opportunity to see some of those northern lights in the region. We'll look to see KP values upwards of 7 in southern Minnesota, northern Iowa through Thursday, Friday, maybe even Saturday. More of a minor opportunity there. So something to keep in mind here the next couple of nights. But again, we will have to watch that cloud cover level to see if we can actually view the lights. What we're tracking ahead here tonight is going to be those northern lights. Friday, seasonal but windy, and we bring in the snow chances, the cold temperatures for this weekend. We are looking at some strong winds gusting upwards of 30 miles per hour here in southern Minnesota, northern Iowa this afternoon. Winds will gradually taper off later on tonight after midnight. So we'll get a couple hours early tomorrow morning where we have some lighter winds. Overcast skies right now as we check in with your future track radar. Zooming further out, low pressure system and a cold front off to our west. That will spark a couple showers here for this evening. Main focus, though, for the weekend is going to be this Clipper system. Low pressure system still off into the Pacific coast, but as that comes ashore, we'll be able to get better guidance here on more of those models to see how this system may perform and get that exact storm track and how much rain-snow mix we could be looking at. Overnight, we'll see those cloudy evening hours here, cloudy skies, maybe a couple sprinkles. We'll see some gradual clearing towards about midnight. So again, will be our best chance to see the northern lights here for tonight. Heading into your Friday, we'll see some clearing out skies there, but clouds do return later into your Friday afternoon. And then by Saturday, we start to bring in that snow chance here for the region. Look at that 7-day forecast for the Rochester area.